Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guess what showed up in the mail today? My wife's phone and my phone, the new Note 20 Ultra. She got the bronze color, I had to get black. Black isn't a bad color for me anyway, but it came with the 512 gigs of storage. So let's check out the new copper color right now. We got the black buds, the black earbuds live, and right here we got the new Note 20 Ultra along with the shipping receipt. And Buds Live and Note 20 Ultra 5 gig 128 5 gig with a 5G with 128 gigs T-Mobile. So let's see what's in the box. Now, I know you guys have probably seen a million of these openings, so you know it's just something that's you got to go through. Boy, they buried that box in there. This is the box with all the paperwork. And here is the Note 20 Ultra. Check out that pretty color. That looks very nice. I'm liking it, guys. But I wasn't able to get that color because I had to get the black one. So let's check out the black one. So the black one, if you follow my channel, they've already sent the earbuds. So I've had the earbuds for a few days. You might have seen some of the tests that I ran on them. Those were actually from my wife's phone. I had the two colors mixed up, so hers came with my earbuds and mine came with her earbuds. So from the top, they both look alike. Wow, that is pretty. Check out that black. Very nice. Black polished aluminum. Everything is colored black. 512 gigs. Now I'm wondering where these were built. Let's see. Made in Vietnam. Now I just saw a YouTube video with unboxing, and his were made in Korea. So that one, the black one, was made in Vietnam, and this Mystic Bronze was made in Vietnam also. Now our other Note 9s were made in Vietnam also, so that you know, they've been good phones, and I'm doing the trade-in. So I'm gonna set these phones up, and I will get back to you guys shortly.